case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case of Anderson v. Council of Unit Owners of Gables on Tuckerman Condominium, decided by the Maryland Court of Appeals in 2008, hinged on an interpretation of the Maryland Condominium Act and highlighted a heated dispute between individual condominium owners and their governing councils. The root of this disagreement began when a water heater leak caused substantial damage to a townhome belonging to Diane Anderson, housed within the Gables on Tuckerman Condominium. Anderson believed the condominium council should in responsibility cover the cost of repairs, basing her claims on Maryland's Condominium Act. However, the council declined to do so, leading Anderson to meet the cost of the deductible and her insurance company, Erie, covering the rest. The crux of the matter came down to unpacking the definition and liability of condominium units and their common elements, and how these are interpreted within the Act. Every owner of a unit with the condo development has the distinctive responsibility to carry out maintenance and repairs within their individual units. Concluding the case, the Maryland Court of Appeals sided with the Council of Gables, ruling that the Maryland Condominium Act, in fact, did not mandate the council to repair or replace property within an individual unit following a casualty loss. By closely examining the Act's legislative history and giving thought to the practical interpretation, the court reasoned that when it came to maintenance, repairs, and replacements, the Council of Unit Owners were accountable only for common elements of the condominium. Thus, even though the councils must uphold property insurance on the entire condominium, the responsibility of repairing or replacing an individual unit after a casualty loss falls solely on the unit owner.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.